Hey guys, and guess what I'm going to be doing today?
Are we going to be playing the video again?
No, that's not what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing this. Build a boat for treasure. Okay, so today I had this idea. It was like last night. I had an idea that would be so awesome if I was just to build it. I am going to build an RV. I've pretty much figured out the design. Kind of. So, here. Now we delete everything right here. Dang it, I failed. I see you have failed to connect.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's okay.
How much space do I want between the wheels? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 6. What's this? 6. Okay, so y'all remember the la 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 thing. I wanted to do that so much in a video. Something's up. It's like the idea came to me last night. I really wanted to do it. Come on. Yes. Because, well, actually, the idea came to me today, and I really wanted to do it because I hadn't done that. I hadn't done anything like that ever. Actually, yeah, except that's not what the floor will be. And also, my design is going to take quite a long time. Although it is going to be awesome.
A floating RV?
An RV.
Like a recreational vehicle? Is that what you mean?
What is a recreational vehicle?
An RV?
It's a house on wheels. That's all I know. That is all I know. Yeah, right there. That is where that is where, come on. This will go. I have so much steel. It is unreal.
Much is steel.
Oh wait, no. The floor is different color. This may look small, but it's going to be big. Like, actual, quite big. Here, let's have a... Marble floor, yes. And then the driver,
Will it be fully furnished?
somewhat.
Oh,
And then where the drivers will be, it will be like that. Now, where the stairs will go there. That is where the stairs will go.
I like it.
There will also be a ramp on the stairs. A ramp on the stairs. So it'll be like walk up.
Okay.
Marble. And then, yeah, the bedroom will be this too. I have a 100% definite yes on how tall the RV will be. How tall it will be.
How tall will it be?
5 blocks.
5 blocks tall, including the wheels?
No. Not including the wheels. But still, it will be 5 blocks tall.
Yeah.
And it will take a forever to destroy. But I'm pretty sure it will make it to the treasure.
I could definitely see it.
I will really like this. Yeah, the driver's pit should be down by half a block. With the dashboard and such. Bam, 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 bam. I have to delete all that. And put it down 1 block.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, half a block. Because in some RVs, they put the stuff down by half a block.
Yeah.
And filling it will take forever. Filling in the walls. And then I'll need to make some more walls.
Yeah,
And you know what those walls will be for?
For what?
Places. Like the bathroom and such.
Okay.
Oh dear. I did something wrong. And I did another thing wrong in the design. It is too tall. I did not count. It's only taller than it by 1 block. And 5 tall is pretty nice. How wide is a steering wheel? Turn. That wide, huh? So, if you haven't guessed already, the steering wheel will be a shower head. just like that. A shower head.
Wow.
The only thing I really want is some doors, but I don't have doors. Doors. What I really need is doors. You know what? I think I'll buy some right now. Well, hope I get some.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. I guess I thought it was raining.
Yeah, it is. One door, no phone. I guess it'll just be a throne.
A throne shower?
Yeah, sure. Just buy an uncommon chest and hope I get something good. I'm not. The reason I wanted to do this with my brother was because he actually has some useful stuff. Here, I need a chair. Like a literal chair. Okay. Couch. This is a couch.
It is a beautiful couch.
Here, one moment.
Sorry.
Nah. Now, I'm not mean or anything, I just don't want people messing up anything. I want to know how tall these things are. I'll find out.
Oh, that is a good idea.
Delete, and it's a couch. Here we go.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a couch. Now I need seats for the front.